You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. The French pronunciation, it's a name of French origin, is pronounced as Rouillard. Rouillard. Essentially, you can replace the I-double-L with a Y. Roux. O-U in French forms the sound OU. Rouillard. The D is silent in French. In English, it's either Rouillard, or some may pronounce the D and pronounce it as Rouillard. That would be an alternative English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.